Hi, I'm Ryan from iThemeLand, where WordPress and WooCommerce come to life. In this tutorial, we're going to explain how you can convert multi-simple products to external. Converting multi-simple products to external products is very important if you have some products in your online store which must be purchased from another website, or you need to resell it as an affiliate. So if you need to bulk edit those products and convert them to external, there is an easy method for that in the WooCommerce bulk product editing plugin. So first we're gonna filter the simple products. So go to the main page of our plugin from WordPress dashboard, IT bulk editing, and Woo product, and then click on filter form. Open type tab, and then go ahead and open the combo box in front of product type. Now select simple product from the list, and then click on get product to filter simple products. You can set other fields to choose the right products. So if you need more help for filtering the products, please check out our channel to see how to filter products in WordPress bulk product editing plugin. Alright, so the next thing you need to do is convert multi-products to external. You need to click on the bulk edit button and then open the type tab in the bulk edit form. Then open the combo box in front of product type, and then choose external affiliate product from the list, and then go ahead and click on do bulk edit. Now as you can see, all simple products we had filtered are now converted to external. Bind editing is another way to convert multi-simple products to external directly from the product table. So to bind edit simple products, first you're gonna add product type column from the column profile to the product table. Now filter the right products, and then mark bind edit in the main page toolbar. And now it's time to open the combo box of product type column in front of one of the products, and then go ahead and choose external affiliate product from the list. Okay, now press enter on your keyboard and let's check out the results.